Pull up a chair, guys, because we have a lot of clothes to get through today. Getting colder for sure. Fall is here. It's time to kind of fix up your wardrobe, and it's a mess. There's just like so much clothes from seasons ago. I don't even know if this clothes can fit me anymore. It's kind of sad sometimes because, you know, you really liked it at the time and you spent, you know, quite a bit of money on it and you can't wear it anymore. But that's just how the game goes. I'm going to put all of this onto the table instead of on the ground, and we're going to start off with trying on the pants first, and then we'll go into sorting out these outfits. Let's get to it. All right, so we're going to try on the pants first. We got many pairs of pants on here, and then we will start sorting out the outfits from there, because I like to always start my outfits from the pants first. I kind of feel like it gives you like the idea of the silhouette of the outfit that you like to wear for that day, and also kind of dictates what your shoes are going to look like. I feel like my waist probably got a little bit bigger, maybe a butt from squats. If you hit the gym, you know what I'm talking about. Let's go. Wow, that was a lot of pair of pants. Actually, I think these ones and the ones that I just showed, which is like corduroy and black, I think those two are the only ones that I kind of like. They might be a little bit too short, just right above my ankle. And the funny thing is, I think because all my pants are a little too loose on me to begin with, I guess right now they still fit. Maybe some of them I need to even like go to the tailors and take in the waist a little bit. But the next thing that we're going to do is actually we can already start putting together the outfits, get the base layer on, and then we'll try on the jackets, sweaters and stuff on top as well. And we can start creating these outfits, and let's see how they look like. we're starting with an outfit that, I'm not gonna lie to you, I hardly ever wear suits. And so if I do, I like it to be a little bit more casual with just a white t-shirt underneath tucked in. I think it looks very neat and tidy together. Also, I'm not gonna lie, there's just way too much clothes, and some of the clothes that you see is gonna be wrinkled. Don't mind it, I hope. But yeah, it's gonna be a little bit wrinkled. So I'm not gonna put a belt on for this. This is outfit number 1, casual suit look. Fits kind of nicely, actually. This is my first time putting this on, so not bad. So for the next one, we got the sweater on. Black and white fit, can't go wrong with the letters, with the numbers on the sweater. I actually really wanted to do this look with combat boots, and finally did it. Got the baggy cargos with the combat boots. Got a massive bag here. This can actually fit like a 15-inch laptop inside, so if you need to go out and do some work, just put all the stuff in here. The glasses act as 2 different things. 1, it's kind of pull my hair back so the hair's not like all on my face. And obviously number 2, to protect your eyes. This is outfit number 2, and I think it should be fine for fall. In winter, you're going to need to put a massive jacket on top, and you'll be good to go. Okay, for the next look, we have full denim. And I will say this, I haven't worn any denim jeans for a very long time. The reason why I'm wearing these is because my best friend gifted me these pair of jeans. And so I'm styling them today. I wanted to go for this full denim look. And this jacket is actually a little bit too small for me. As you can see, I had to roll up the sleeves purely because the sleeves wouldn't even make it to my wrist over here. Still kind of works because it's not too cold yet. You can't wear this for winter, but fall, I still think it's all good. And then we have these boots, the Our Legacy boots. You know, for footwear for fall and winter, it's gonna be a lot of leather boots, loafers, and then just kind of like chunkier shoes, a little bit of heel on them as well, to kind of elongate your legs a little bit, make yourself look a little bit taller. Singlet, or what you guys call a tank top, underneath. And I just wanted to use white as the base because it looks better with the denim. This is black. Pretty much all I have to say for this outfit. So that's outfit number 3. Oh, also, let me know if you kind of like this full denim where it's like the color of the denim is a little bit different. Like the wash of it is a little bit different because I haven't worn full denim in a very long time. I haven't worn any denim in a very long time. So I'm just going with gut feeling. All right, I know what you're gonna say. It's all white. It's dangerous. How can you be wearing all white? Because if you go out and you have a meal and something splats on it and you're like, oh, it's dirty now. Just don't go eat things that can splash oil onto your stuff and you'll be good. So if you go out for a little walk, you'll be fine. If you go out for a coffee, you'll be fine. Don't eat pasta. Don't eat hot pot. All right, these are off limits when you wear an outfit like this. So really, it's just for coffee or a walk. And don't walk outside when it's raining either. This is a very cozy outfit, big overcoat on top. You can always wear that on top of a lot of your other outfits. If you want to give it a go, all white with a beige overcoat. You know, funnily enough, with these like massive pants, I kind of like wearing loafers with these because it has this like pointy silhouette, even though like the whole entire pair of pants is like covering most of it. But I actually kind of like this look. Yeah, you know, most of the time I like to go out wearing outfits that I'm comfortable in, that you can kind of, you know, move around properly in. So that's why I don't really go for like super tight clothing. And a lot of people might think like, you know, you work out and don't you want to wear like tighter clothing to kind of like show your gains? Most of the time I don't, unless it's like just a t-shirt underneath. Outside of that, I don't really wear, you know, super tight type of clothing. And for pants, I like them either tailored, nice straight leg, or we go for like baggy wide leg. And these are definitely a pair of pants that I'm kind of digging right now. Yeah, and if you want to use a bag to go out in with this outfit, I would suggest a dark brown leather one, but because I don't have one, so I'm just going to show you with the black one that I have. Oh yeah, by the way, let me know in the comments if you like any of these outfits. If you don't like them, also let me know in the comment section below which ones you like, which ones you don't like. If you don't like all of them, just write separate comments, like each outfit that you don't like. So there's a little bit more comments in the section, you know? Thank you. Alright guys, don't forget to comment which outfit do you like the most, and thank you for organizing my wardrobe with me today. These are 5, I think it was 5, or was it 6 outfits today. Now I gotta clean up, and I gotta actually put the clothes back into the wardrobe. Lots of videos coming up. I'm gonna add in my travel stuff as well, and hopefully you guys, you know, enjoy that. Yeah. Nothing more to say. Have a great day. Bye.